Situated at the foothills of the mighty Himalayan mountains, Ashok Leyland's Pantnagar plant is its youngest, ultra-modern unit. With well-rounded in-house facilities, award-winning quality control, and diverse human resources, Pantnagar is a fusion of youth, technology, and strategic integration. Established in 2010, Pantnagar has its genesis from the knowledge and experience gained from all the other Ashok Leyland plants, be it in design, architecture, processes, or technology.
Pantnagar plant is one of the latest plants of Ashok Leyland. It is one of the most integrated plant in the medium and heavy commercial industry. This plant takes pride in keeping the core technology and maintaining the core requirements of the commercial vehicle industry.
Pantnagar is highly integrated through its ability to manufacture most of its aggregates in-house. The two chassis lines can handle vehicles from 16 tons to 49 tons, from single-axle vehicles to 5-axle vehicles, all on the same conveyor. The engine's manufacturing unit is capable of handling Ashok Leyland's proprietary IEGR technology. The assembly unit is controlled by an intelligent engine management system which is fully ready for conversion to the IoT environment in the future. A host of other aggregates are manufactured in Pantnagar. To circumvent market fluctuations, Pantnagar maintains most of its core technologies in-house. Pantnagar is one of the few plants in the country to use CNC rolling for production of frame side members. This facility provides great flexibility in production and strength to the finished product. The plant has a state-of-the-art cabin manufacturing unit. The 3 cab building lines engage more than 50 robots, all of them network for precise coordination. With the latest in precision measuring technology, accuracy is ensured in the cabin manufacturing process. With robotics and high-end technology, the plant is able to keep abreast with the latest cabin developments. Pantnagar is not only defined by its modernity, but also the spirit of its employees. The average age of the employees is close to 24 years. More than 20% of the employees in Pantnagar are women, making it one of the highest proportions in the M and HCV sector. The plant has gone beyond just manufacturing to reach out to young people in remote areas. The Learning and Development Center recruits students from many regions in the surrounding mountains to offer a 4-year training course which includes certification. These industry-ready graduates benefit from the blessing scheme which allows them to earn while they learn in the Pantnagar plant. In alignment with Ashok Leyland's green policy, Pantnagar has a dedicated green area. The plant has also invested in water balancing, with more than 50% of its water being recycled. For its excellence in manufacturing, just 6 years after its inception, Pantnagar was awarded the Deming Prize in 2016. This is the first in the M and HCV sector outside of Japan to win this award.
Pantnagar is a plant which gives us a lot of volume. About 40% of Ashok Leyland production comes from Pantnagar. So you can imagine that when you need to step it up, then Pantnagar is the one which will give us the greatest volume.
With its young workforce, modern infrastructure, and state-of-the-art technology, Pantnagar is equipped to face the challenges of the evolving business needs and will remain in the forefront of Ashok Leyland's thrust into the future.